That's a knockdown. Count. That's a highlight reel.
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Alright.
Ladies and gentlemen, these bouts scheduled for 4 rounds in the super featherweight division. The 3 judges for this contest, Oliver Garcia, Don Golias, and architect.
Nandito po tayo sa JF Sports Complex. Ito pong event na ito ay promoted by Denver Quellios, DMC, in cooperation with UKC Elorde.
His professional debut from ELM Boxing Stable of Melbourne City in New Jersey, Aaron
Gaspar. Siya po si Aaron Gaspar.
Wearing white and weighing 130 pounds from DMC Boxing Promotions of Calapit, Bulacan. Ladies and gentlemen, Georgie Pakamalan.
Pakamalan versus Gaspar. Here we go. Parang ang laki nito, Gaspar. Kita mo yung katawan, yung build niya, ang laki oh. Pero wala sa laki yan. Tingnan natin kung sino mas magaling. Pareho kasing baguhan, kaya hindi natin alam kung wala tayong masyadong masabi. Pero si Pakamalan naka 1-0 na, si Gaspar debut. So magkakatalunan sa skills. Mamasel. Knockdown. That's a knockdown. Knockdown kaagad. Medyo baguhan pa kasi. So relax ka lang bro. Relax lang. Relax. But still that's a knockdown. That's counted as a knockdown. Ingat lang si Pakamalan, no? Ano lang yung flash knockdown, pero kulang pa sa kulang sa stance itong si Gaspar. He has good body, pero yung stance niya still needs improvement. Magaling yung Pakamalan, body. Right hand. Another right hand. So medyo likod. Warning. Close up natin. Warning. Relax lang, relax. Naka-knockdown na ng isa. So ano nangyayari? Kaya pa ba? Okay. He's gonna fight. Good counter. Maglakas yung kanan nitong Pakamalan. Napapaurong niya na si Gaspar dito ngayon. Fake siya ng isang jab, tapos pangalawang jab. Counter. Oh, yun ang pala, hintayin na lang niya sumuntok. Counter. Kulang bumalik hindi masyado mabalik si Gaspar pagkatapos ng suntok niya. Binilangan. Standing 8 count. Dalawa na yan, kagad. Dalawa na kagad yan. That's not a standing 8 count. That's a highlight reel. Malakas. I hope you're okay, bro. Lakas tong ano. Malakas pa tong bata to, Pakamalan. Nagpakawala ng mga kombinasyon. May dahilan pala. May dahilan kung bakit ganun. That was a solid punch. And then Verguelio looking in. Siyempre concerned din siya sa boxer eh. Solid, no? Matindi ka. Congrats. Congrats sa inyo dalawa. Abangan nyo to. Pangalan ha, Joji Pakamalan. Nakawala ng malay yung suntok niya.